Hey, what's going on, everybody? Billy here. Again, like all these videos you're going to see, I just want to show you guys that I am a real person. This is me here with my family, my Facebook account, friends. I mean, you can scroll through here. This is not a new account, it's not a fake account. It's actually me. Uh, I just wanted to start here. And if you guys need anything, you have questions that I didn't answer in this video, you can always find me on Facebook, Billy Montez, right here, and friend me and send me a message. And I'm usually available here. I'll also have a way for you to text me inside the description of this video too, if you prefer that. Either way, I'm open, guys. So I wanted to do another video today because I had one of coaching students asked me that a lot of his people, they buy traffic from him, and one of the things they struggle with a lot is how to build a capture page. So they're basically using the company capture pages, and they don't convert necessarily the best because a lot of people use them. And there's definitely ways to you know make a capture page convert a lot better for you, without using the company one. And again, whenever you use the company capture pages as well, one of the drawbacks from that is that you're sending leads to their business and not yours, right? So, I mean, the faster that a beginner, newbie, whatever you want to call it, can make their own capture pages and take their marketing into their own hands, the better. That's for long term, right? I mean, I'm sure all you guys watching this is doing this for long term business, not short term, right? So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. So what I'm gonna do today is just I'm gonna choose a product that I know about on an affiliate marketplace, and then I'm going to show you guys the capture page I made for that offer, and just also share how easy this stuff really is because there's not a lot of guesswork that we need to do here, right? So and the funnel builders that you can get today are like drag and drop, so it's super easy. So the first thing, I'm going to assume you don't have an offer, and I'm going to take you over to Warrior Plus. All these offers, if you come to the marketplace, you can just hunt for you know offer after offer after offer. There's just tons of them here, and you don't have to join the business opportunity to be able to promote it. The Warrior Plus is it's just a marketplace full of offers, usually business opportunity. So the only issue with Warrior Plus is that you do have to get permission. So basically, you would if you need a tutorial on that, you can let me know. But basically, you're going to sign up. The vendor here is Mark, so you would send him a message and say, "Hey, I'm looking forward to promote your product. I'm going to be sending you email traffic or social media traffic." And then Mark will go in and approve you, and then you're going to get your own affiliate link. Okay, this is the link that you have to send people to, or you're not going to get paid. Um, when you look at the products here, it kind of tells you, how much you can make. So the very front end product on here is free. So you don't really earn anything off that. But the next upsell in his funnel is $17. You earn 50%, and so forth, so on. So you can see he has a bunch of ways for an affiliate to earn here, even up to 47.50, and you as an affiliate would earn 712 bucks. So it's a pretty deep funnel, and you don't have to join or buy any of this to get paid. You just have to be able to promote it. So the reason I'm going to share it today is because I know Mark. I know another guy who's a business partner with him, so I know what they teach is going to be real, which is what you want to share with anybody, right? You want to share only things that are going to work. So what we're going to do is just I'm going to click view the sales page, and that takes us to this page. So this is the page that people are essentially going to see. They're going to watch the video. This is AJ. They're going to watch the video. Let's see how long. 5 minutes. And if they like what they see, then they're definitely going to click here and get their free sales machine. in which case that's going to be free, but then they're going to go into the upsell, right, to try to get them to buy that other $17 product, and you know, the rest of the funnel here. That's their goal, right? So our goal as an affiliate is just to get people to this page. Now, like I mentioned before, people are buying traffic from my friend, and they don't have their own funnel. They don't know how to make their own funnel. This is the product I want to promote. So just pretend like this is your product, and now I'm going to head over and make a page for it. So then we can use that capture page to capture leads, so that we can show them this offer, right? So let's go here into my funnel builder. All right, guys, this thing's moving slow. Sorry about that. So basically, this is our funnel builder. So all I would do is click in here, which I already did, but that takes me to the funnel builder. So this is basically it. There's a few other stuff on the outside here, but the screen size is cutting some of that off. But this right here is the page that I had already made for this offer. And I didn't make it from scratch because it was already made, which I can definitely show you guys here. But if you can see, I mean, look at this page right here. Let me just open it up in a new one and show you guys. It'll look a little better. So this page right here, if I click here and then I click back to the offer, you can see like the colors are very similar. I mean, they're not exactly the same. I could, you know, match that even better. But if you look here, and you look here, it's not too different, right? You know, so that's, you know, that's one thing that you want to do is try to keep it congruent, like that, you know, make it look like this offer is supposed to come after this offer, or this offer, um excuse me, this offer right here is supposed to come after here, right? You want to make it flow like that. But if you can see here, I got limited time offer. Well, you can see here, limited time offer. Copy this free sales machine system that banked AJ that X amount of money in just 48 hours in 3 simple steps. So if we come back here, I mean, look, you know, 3,000 in 48 hours. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, it's literally that simple. And then if I come back here, as soon as this thing cooperates with me, and I asked them if you're ready to consistently make 1K per day. If I look here, they have that here on the sales page. And then basically I, you know, asked for name, email address, and then yes, claim my spot. And I did that again because, you know, we're telling them it's a limited time offer here. And you can see here, they even tell them here, click the button below to claim your spot. So, you know, basically this page is very congruent with this page, right? I mean, I hope you would, you know, you can see that. So that this would be my capture page, right? So as soon as somebody gives their first name, email, hits claim my spot, they're going to come here. And in the meantime, these leads are being collected in our autoresponder, right? Where we're going to send emails about this offer. So the first one is going to be like, hey, did you get your free sales machine? And then you're going to make sure and send this page, not this page because you already have their email, right? You're going to send this page to them in the email. So the first email is going to be like something, hey, did you get access to your sales machine, right? Second email could be something like, you know, this is limited to the first 50 people. You know, you got to get in today. That would be like the second email. And the third email could be, you know, something like, you know, 3 fast steps to real autopilot results. That would be like your subject line, right? And then you could literally just say, if you want to know what the 3 steps are, get your link, 1 click, download your funnels. Step 3, make sales, right? You can literally use some of this stuff in there. Another email, your 4th email could be see the real proof for yourself. And then you can just say in the email body copy, you can say, don't take our word for it. Look at these real people getting real results from our sales machine. And you would hyperlink this text right here. You would hyperlink this page right here. So then whenever they click on it, they're going to come to this page and they're going to scroll down and you're going to deliver what you told them you would. And that's see the real proof for yourself. That's what you told them in the subject line, right? And you're literally going to do this every day for like 7 days, guys. and people are definitely going to open those emails. People are definitely going to take a look at this offer. Some of those are going to buy, some of those are going to buy the upsells, and that's literally all you do. So if we come back to the capture page here, let me just show you how simple this is. I'll just run through it real quick, okay? So basically, I'm going to click on this where we can add a new funnel. 1 second here. I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to click add new step, new page. And that page right there, I think I told you guys it was a template. So let me see if I can find the template real quick. All right, I found it, guys. So this is one of our templates. You can see here we got tons of different templates here. But I literally just hit select on this one. I named it test funnel, and then just click add. And once that loads, you can see that it's very similar, but obviously I changed it up a little bit, right? I added the words in there and took out a picture, but you can definitely leave it as is and just change out the words. So let me let this load. All right, so it finally loaded. So you can see here, this is literally the template here, right? So all I did was literally come here, and I don't think I can copy and paste here because I think they disabled people to be able to do that. So you literally just have to type it. So warning, this is a limited offer. So I'm literally just going to click here and say warning, this is a limited offer, right? And if I wanted to, I can make this bigger. I can change the color. I mean, literally anything you can do. But again, I always try to stick with the same color scheme here, and we'll show you how. 397230. Sorry about that. I'm getting lost here. So literally, I would just delete all this, and you know, we could say here, you know, we show you how to make 1K per day. Again, I already showed you guys what my page looks. I mean, I'm just kind of showing you how simple this is, right? And if I wanted to just change the color of that, I would just choose text color, and we would just select this color. And you can see here it changed the color there. We could even leave this the same, but it was about a free sales machine, right? So enter your best email below before he starts charging for this free sales machine. Boom, right? And here you can add, you know, we can change that anything if you have something there to add. You know, I could just put my picture here. Let me see, put this one here. You see, so now I got my picture, and then from here I literally just connect my autoresponder, and then save the page. And now when I make it live, boom, there we go. See how easy that was? I mean, that's what's great about having a funnel builder that's drag and drop like this. And again, this funnel builder is literally $25 a month. I mean, for everything that it does, you know, there's other builders out there that cost $97 a month, and this does exactly what that does at only $25 a month. And if you're promoting this offer, guys, as an affiliate marketer, you can earn 80%. Like, that's unheard of, 80%. So some of you guys are out there promoting, you know, something similar for, you know, 30%, maybe even 40%. Okay, let's just say on the top 40%. Like, you know, by promoting this funnel builder, you can make 80%. Okay, but literally that's it, guys. I mean, I'll show you the other funnel again. If I think I got it right back here. You would literally, that's all you would literally do to be able to send traffic to your own page, build your own email list, and make it to you know, to promote this offer here. And then I already showed you guys you know, how I would do the email follow up. And I do have other YouTube's videos where you can see how I do email, but that's literally it. So I hope that was useful to you. Again, you can use this builder and do this with any product out there you want. Like, you would just literally follow the same steps that I did, and that's literally just going to the sales page, seeing what sticks out to you, and putting that on a simple capture page, and that's how you would promote it. So with that being said, if this was useful, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe as well, because I definitely plan to keep putting more affiliate marketing content on this channel. So Talk to you guys soon.